Hey, this is Bakes, Kevin Baker, Stock Market Authority. It is the after the market close on Wednesday, the 28th of December. Merry Christmas to you all. I got a question from Lisa in Boston, and I try to be as responsive as I can. Sometimes things move too fast. This might be the case. As basically, I'm paraphrasing, is it too late to buy Tesla? It is for me, and I have this rule that I use that has served me very, very well. That when you have a breakout buy point here at 288 right after the election, I'll pay within 5% of that. So whatever that is, maybe $300, whatever. I didn't calculate it, but within 5% of this, I would buy there. And this is, very controversial. Quote unquote, everybody thinks it's overvalued. I've made the case that the market doesn't care what you think. They don't care about your politics. They don't care about your hatred or adoration of Elon Musk. It doesn't care about your spreadsheet, all 32 tabs of it. It doesn't care that the PE says 200 on my service here. It wants to go north. So bottom line, yes, on the day after the election, if you had the guts, we should have bought it. I don't buy a lot of individual stocks. I buy ETFs. There wasn't an ETF that had Tesla's big enough weight to catch my eye. The next buy point here is at 369, and this is extraordinary how this stock has moved. And here we are at 440.13, well above the 414 all-time high previously. So this is all-time highs, and it's blowing through it on big volume. We had a reversal today, but if you go up, uh, you know, 200 points to pull back 40 is completely reasonable, especially in the tape we had today. So, bottom line, Tesla's past the buy point. I wouldn't buy it here. This isn't financial advice. If you're going to invest in something like Tesla, you really want to do a lot of nitty gritty fundamental work. Which I think is beyond the scope of most individual investors. I would stay clear of this, and I'm looking for ETFs that might give me a way to participate. I haven't found it yet, but please stay tuned. And you're going to kill me because you talked about this about a week ago, and this is KURL. They have battery technology, and it's again, I've done no fundamental work on this, but this is a beautiful chart. But we're past the buy point here. Within 5% of 90 cents, within 5% of $1.75. I'm interested. That's so 184 or so. So if it dips below there on low volume, I'm going to take a look at it and really go into the weeds. This is obviously a penny stock or $2 stock in this case, this is like a Lazarus kind of a rise here. It's losing money, but it's battery technology, thermal technology for SpaceX and NASA and NVIDIA and SMRs and all the buzzy things that you would want. So I'm going to pay attention to it. I'm not going to touch it until I really understand the fundamentals. And, and I wouldn't, I would caution you as I know you've got a friend involved here. If you trust him and he thinks that he knows the fundamentals or he's an insider that has your best interest at heart, I would take that I would give that more credence. But as a casual observer, just looking at a stock chart, I love this stock chart. I like it at below 184 here on a low volume pullback, but I'm going to have to know how they start making money, how these buzzy headlines, titillating headlines turn into real profits and further upside to the stock. So thanks for bringing it to my attention. I'll look at it repeatedly, but I wouldn't touch it. And don't worry about FOMO. There's so many things to do. You don't need to grab this nitroglycerin every time it goes by. All right. I hope that's helpful. Let me know if I can be helpful further. 610-331-4283. Bakes at stockmarketauthority.com and DM me, all of you, wherever you see me on social media, and obviously go to my YouTube channel. All right. Merry Christmas, and I will see you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.